How to check Bluescreen history on your laptop or computers. The purpose of knowing this history is to fix the Bluescreen problem. The first step. We download the tool to find out the Bluescreen history. Let's follow the steps below together. Download the Bluescreen View application. And then, let's install the Bluescreen View application by following the steps. The following is a Bluescreen View application for my laptop. I have experienced the Bluescreen twice with the main Bluescreen driver power state failure. Below are details of the time and location of the problematic file. With this history, we can take steps to overcome this problem with several appropriate steps, so that in the future there will be no more cases of Bluescreens on my laptop. Hopefully, this video is useful. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to get updates about technology. See you again in the next video. Bye-bye.